Hello guys, this is Masonic Storm. Today I'm gonna replace a new ventilation fan in my bathroom. This one I bought at like $16 at Lowe's and Home Depot, and you can buy it in online also at Amazon. Just check my link on my description below, and you can buy it online. Here it is. This is the new one. So I'm gonna take it out the old one, which is not working. First thing to do, you have to remove this one is just they just clip it right here. Yeah, so easy. And right there too, there's a clip right there. And press it, loose like that. That's the one. Oh, it's so dirty. And this motor is not working anymore, so we have to replace it. The motor, just make sure this switch is off, so just be careful. And the only thing you need is there's a switch, remove it, plug in right there, just take it out. Okay, and then just pull this one out. Like that. Right, this is the one that it's not working. The motor isn't working, the fan. So it's so easy. So we're gonna replace a new one and plug it there at the same spot. This is the old one, so I just took it off, and that's the new one. Comes the whole thing with the case, but I'm just gonna replace only the fan. Doesn't come. I don't want to put the case. I just take this out, but depends on you if you wanna put the whole thing. But for me, I'm just gonna put this one and then clean it the case on top. I'll take out the dust, and it comes with a new lid too. Right? So gonna clean on top. Just brush it, clean it all the way, and before you put it and then replace the new one. Alright, so this is the new one, so I'm gonna replace it now. Get this thing up. Alright, 1 second. So already replace it. I put it back. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, let's try it. It's working. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.